Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best emergency survival kits in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you are looking for emergency survival kits that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place to find out more information about these emergency survival kits. You can check out the link description below. Let's get started. The number 1 on our list is S.O.L Origin Waterproof Survival Toolkit. The S.O.L Region Survival Kit fits in the palm of your hand and gives you a collection of tools you may need to survive the night and outdoors. The Origin gives you the collection of 11 different survival tools that you need to survive the unexpected and make it back alive. This knife features a 100 decibel rescue whistle and 10 lumen LED light integrated into handle. This knife saws 8 steel blade holds an edge and sharpness more easily than common steel blades. The heart of the Origin is ABS plastic waterproof case which contains an area of key survival tools including tinder, quick fire starters, 150-pound test braided nylon cord, milder spec stainless steel wire and an emergency searing and fishing kit for those unfamiliar with wilderness survival. Backcountry expert Buck Tilton survival instructions, content over 60 survival techniques and strategies. This solar region redefines the survival kit from the ground up in one product that fits in the palm of your hand. The arrangement gives you the collection of tools. The number 2 on our list is Gerber Bear Grylls Basic Survival Kit. Stay prepared to stay alive with Gerber Bear Grylls Basic Survival Kit, the perfect collaboration of Gerber and survival expert Bear Grylls that can set the difference on being alive or dead in any uncertain situation. The basic kit is part of the Gerber Bitter Girl Survival series of gear. The 8-piece kit comes included with a garbage mini power frame, knife and emergency whistle, a fire starter, waterproof matches and many more to offer you critical advantage in any survival situation. For added peace of mind and a higher level of preparedness, this kit comes with a land-to-air rescue and essence instructions. It also includes Bear Grylls' informative priorities, a survival pocket guide. Loaded with survival basics, the survival kit comes in a durable bag made out of lightweight strips of nylon which allows you to carry it with you on any other trip while offering the durability that you need. The Gerber Bear Grylls. The number 3 on our list is Safetyproof 2-person 3-day grab and go backpack. Stay prepared for any emergency situation with Safetyproof grab and go backpack, a feature-packed survival kit that includes every grab and go backpack includes enough emergency food and water supply for 2 persons alive and keeps your emergency food protected from outside elements. The backpack is also waterproof so that all items could remain dry in any weather condition. The Safetyproof grab and go backpack is perfect for workplace and school as well as in automobiles because you never know when a survival situation. The number 4 on our list is Ultimate Survival Technologies FeatherLite Survival Kit 2.0. Hopefully you will not need it, but if you do, you will be happy to have it. The Light Survival Kit 2.0 contains 10 essential tools that you may need in any emerging situation. It comes with an emergency blanket and emergency poncho that will help you to stay warm and protected from the elements. It also features a button compass that will quickly and effectively get you back on course. This kit's signal devices include a mirror light, sack and jet screen micro whistle that lets you broadcast your location, proof matches and a micro spark wheel so that you can easily start a fire in any condition. The survival kit ensures you never stay in the dark when the Moon Force LR41 flashlight, while its handy carabiner knife at with you on any other trim. The FeatherLite Survival Kit 2.0 contains an assortment of essential supplies you may need in any emergency. Keep this kit at home, in your car, on your boat or in your pack so you're always prepared. The number 5 on our list is Pocket Survival Pack Plus, designed by Dill. Greater. The Pocket Survival Pack Plus includes everything you would need to survive in any emergency situation with confidence. This survival pack Pro Power MP1 water purification tablets and folding 1-liter water bag. As you can always have fresh drinkable water in any situation. It comes with mini rescue flash signal meter and 100 decibel slim rescue howler PLS whistle that lets you broadcast your location up to 10 miles away. The survival pack also includes Spark Light Striker LED light, waterproof survival instructions by Duograder and many more. It comes in a waterproof carry pouch that holds all items to keep them dry in any weather condition, allowing you to carry them with you wherever you go. Designed with survival expert do greater. The Adventure Medical Kids Pocket Survival Pack Plus Kit is for backpackers, hunters, pilots, snowmobilers, hikers or anyone who enjoys the great out.